Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Uber app not working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your app store and then tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on your search bar. Type in Uber, and once it loads, tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over back to your home screen, and once you are in your home screen, tap on the settings. Now once you're inside your settings, scroll down and then tap on the general. Now once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage. Now once it loads, scroll all the way down, and then once you find the Uber app, simply tap on it. Let me just assume this InDrive app is the Uber app, and now on tapping you'll find two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which is present in the app that might be causing the issues that you are facing. Now once the process is complete, all you gotta do is go back and then try again, and once you do that, your problem will be fixed. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.